So in the given question, we are being asked which of the following quantities may not be conserved for an isolated system. First of all, what is the meaning of isolated? So let's say there is a system with a lot of particles in it. It is said to be isolated if there is no external force acting on it. So here on this system, there is no external force. So each particle would move because of the internal forces. So let's take a simple case, a very simple one, that we just have two particles. So when these two particles are released in space, they might attract each other. And because of their mutual force, which is an internal force of the system, they might accelerate, they might gain some kinetic energy. So even though there is no external force, the kinetic energy of each of the particle and of the system can change. So this is not conserved, definitely. And as they get closer, their potential energy also changes. So even potential energy of the system is not conserved. This is an isolated system. There is no external force. Now let's talk about mechanical energy and total energy. So what happens sometimes is, if these particles collide or something else happens, there might be some heat released or some other form of energy involved. Some of the mechanical energy might get converted into heat energy or some other form of energy, and in such cases, even the mechanical energy of the system is not conserved. So for example, let's say if these two particles collide and they collide inelastically, there would be some loss of the total mechanical energy, and only the total energy would be conserved, which keeps in mind all of the energies, whether it's heat energy, sound energy, whatever it is. So only the total energy would be conserved. Mechanical energy might not be conserved if there are collisions or something else is happening.